Okay, guys. Hey, welcome back. Hope you all had a good Easter. Happy Easter. But I got my gas tank in this box and our new sprocket. So we're going to see if we can do a little work on the bike. See what we'll get done. I think our new sprocket looks basically just like that one, though. That's what I thought. And here it said it would fit a 415 chain, I think. It does look like the same thing. See that? I hope they sent me the correct thing. I might have to return it. They said it should fit. That one I think's a little wide, maybe. That's why. I don't know. We'll see. They look like the same thing to me, though. Thought it was in here. I guess not. Must be over here. Need our chain, man. Where is it? Here it is. Here's our chain. Just let me see if it'll fit. Now it doesn't look like it's going to. Okay, so this is the problem I ran into. See that? It doesn't fit. Stupid Amazon. Said this is for a 415 chain. Pretty sure. Dumb. I wonder if I could almost like make this smaller, but looks like that package is going back. That's one thing. Just send back. So, other than that, we did get an extension plate cut so we can bring the motor out probably about 2 inches, because right there, you can see how far off. Should be like right there for the chain. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to do it today. I don't know if I'm up to it. But yeah, see, it'll just come out, just mount it to the side of this. So we'll see how that'll turn out. Got our gas tank. Guess we could see how that'll fit, how it'll look. This is for this package. It's a nice big gas tank, that's for sure. 4 liter, baby. Woo! Just fits. Look at that beast. Like, it just clears it. Wow. Huh. Nice. Looks good on it, though. So it looks like from our tape measure, kind of measured it up, 2.5 inches it needs to be moved over. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our wrench and wrench off the motor, get it off of the bike, then we'll go from there. So now we'll go ahead and remove the motor. See how easy this will be. You know, we have the clutch on the side too. Probably going to be a lot heavier. There we go. We'll just set that over here. Nope, we don't want to bend that. Let's just set it on the ground. Okay. Now I'll work on unbolting the motor and moving it over, mounting that new plate. Okay guys, so now I got the motor bracket off of the motor over there, and I shaved this pencil really thin, skinny, then I broke it also. There's the other part of it, and then I got this mounting plate, and see, it'll fit nicely in the holes, and then I'll just draw where the bolt holes are going to be marked. It's a very convenient way to do it. So yeah, just shave a pencil and break it, a really small thing, and you can get in there and draw lines. Alright. Okay, as you can see, those are where our holes are. Now we have to drill that out. The drill. Alright. Pretty simple. Alright. Holes are drilled. So we'll go ahead and set that there. Line it up. Like so. And now, I think you guys can see, should be able to see through it. 1 and 2. Then right here we need to mark that to drill some holes in this plate. So we'll get underway with that. Okay, holes are drilled. Nicely honed out too. I just need to go get some bolts at the business at work probably. Then we can mount that, figure that out, and we'll be good to go. So stay tuned. Peace out. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Another video coming real soon. Gotta return this too. Not happy that it wasn't the right one. It said it was, but whatever. Alright. Can't always go by that, so. Time to head out into the snow. It's snowing out there. Peace.